Are you preparing for a high-stakes speaking test right now? Let me ask you a question. How are you studying? Are you spending hours trying to guess exactly which questions the examiner will ask? Are you looking for some perfect model answers on the internet and trying to memorize them? Or maybe you're writing out long scripts for every topic like travel or the environment, hoping you can recite them during the test. If you are doing this, you need to be careful. You might think these methods help you, but they can actually lower your coherence score. Today, I want to explain why this happens and what you should do instead. Why is memorizing for a speaking test wrong? Why are these study habits bad for your score? Because they create four specific problems that examiners can see very easily. Problem number one is missing the question. This happens when you hear a keyword you know, like hobbies, and you immediately start giving a prepared speech. You are speaking fluently, but you aren't answering the question. For example, the examiner might ask about the disadvantages of a hobby, but you are talking about why you like it. You miss the real question. Problem number two is going off topic. This is when you try to force a memorized answer into a conversation where it doesn't fit. For example, the examiner asks about the economy, but you try to use a prepared answer about your job. It doesn't match, and it confuses the examiner. Problem number three is rambling. Many students think fluency means never stopping. So when you don't know what to say, you just keep talking. You repeat the same simple ideas again and again. It sounds like you are lost in a maze. You are talking, but you aren't going anywhere. Problem number four is running out of gas. This is when your answer starts well, but soon. You realize you do not have much to say at the moment in response to a relatively simple question. This usually happens because you forgot your memorized script, or you didn't understand the question but were too scared to ask for help. How do we fix it? So, how can you fix these problems? Stay tuned and we will tell you more about this in our next video.